Hey everybody, I had a headlight bulb change 2016 Chevy Malibu. There's a dust cover and there are two. Remember, one's for the low beam, one's for the high beam. So you're gonna pop the hood and then you're gonna take this dust cover off. It twists, you're just gonna twist it off. This one here that I'm working on, um, that was actually the high beam, but the one to the left of that is for the low beam. And so that's what you're gonna have to do. Figure out which one you need, pop the hood, take off the dust cover. It's not very difficult. That's the bulb. The bulb is kind of long, so it's kind of awkward to get out, but you're going to reach in there, you're going to twist, and you're going to pull the bulb out. And then on the bottom of the bulb, there's a tab. You compress that, and it separates it from the pigtail, so you shouldn't have a problem with that. Just be mindful of what you need, which one you need to replace, be it high beam or low beam, because they're different. The prongs on the inside of the bulb are different. They're different. For one, they're closer together. For the other, they're wider apart. I'm going to show you that towards the end of this video. So that's what you're going to have to do. You don't have a lot of space there, and there's a tab on the bottom. You're going to compress that, and I'm going to show you the prongs on the inside. You see, to the right and to the left, they're different. Be careful. Get the right one. That's the new bulb. Take your time. It's not a lot of space. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.